Bro, my soul just left my body. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ben. We back with another video, and you know we're in the kitchen, so you know it's gonna be an eating video. Come on now. I'm going to be eating Greg Doucette'S Anabolic French Toast for 24 hours. So I know you're probably like, oh, you're using Greg's name for clout, right? See, how I think of it, we'd be helping each other, right? So my army of 100 subscribers, right? They're gonna go over to Greg's channel, and Greg's gonna gain some followers, right? And then if he makes a response video, his little smaller army of like 800K, they're gonna come over here, right? So yeah, basically we're helping each other, but I'm helping him a little more here. Got some stuff planned, some savory French toast, some like French toast chicken sandwiches, so we'll see. So without further ado, let's get into the first French toast of the day. First of all, I just want to say, sorry Greg, I put 2 whole eggs in my French toast in the morning just to get some healthy fats in, you know? Can never go wrong with some healthy fats, you know what I'm saying? And personally, I really don't know how to eat such a low fat diet, bro, because when I eat like super low fat, like my hormones are so out of whack. I'll eat these whole eggs in my meal and I'll have more energy like after my meal, and I'll be like more satiated after I have like more fats. I don't know if it's just me or if anybody else feels the same way. Let me know. We got two eggs in there. These are egg whites, but they're yellow. So I just dump this into the bowl so I can soak the bread and then put it on, because I find so much faster when I do it with this as opposed to putting it in the bowl and mixing it with a fork. Way faster. And just for you, Greg, I'm doing the blueberries. I got blueberries and I'm putting them on the pan first, because I know you say you gotta put them on the pan and then put the bread on. Why are you still using regular ass bread? I don't get it. Like when there's bread that is literally out there and it's 35 calories and you're using 70 calorie bread, like what is up? Like, these soak just as good as your regular ass bread. I've tried regular ass white bread and I've tried this soaks just as good. 1 second spray, good. Yo, hold up. Yo, this looks gas. Hold up. I don't know about y'all, but that looks pretty damn solid. Obviously gotta put the syrup on it, come on. I'm gonna put the calories and macros for this meal right there. For all you macro fanatics. And yeah, I'm gonna get into this. See you guys in the next meal, I guess. Last bite. It's down. Blueberry French toast. Honestly, it was alright. Nothing crazy. I know Greg gasses it so much. Yeah, I'd give it a, in terms of French toast, honestly, give it like an 8. Solid 8. Still good. Like I said before, I'll see you guys in meal 2. And we're back. Meal number 2 going down. I got something special. For y'all. We gonna make a French toast chicken sandwich. Now, I've never made this before in my life, but we're gonna try it out. It's probably in the new cookbook that Greg just dropped, but I'm gonna do it myself, because you know what I'm saying, there's no rules, yo. So French toast chicken sandwich going down. Let's do it. 2 whole eggs again. Should make 2 sandwiches. No. French toast chicken sandwich. I'm also gonna put in some apple slices, just like on the side. I gotta be the first one to do this. Like, I've never seen anybody make something like this. Like, what is good with it? Ooh. This just looks insane. So good. I need to try it for you guys, because if it's ass, I'm gonna be mad. Like, what?
I want to drip drip while I get my dick licked.
It tastes like a French toast chicken sandwich. It needs something else though. I don't know what it is. It's good. Don't get me wrong. Definitely the chicken. Maybe should have like seasoned it. I don't know, but it's pretty damn good. Definitely not as good as the blueberry French toast. Blueberry French toast is pretty damn good. Rating, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. But yeah, it's pretty good. And calories and macros for the meal are gonna be right there. And I'll see you guys in meal 3. Yo, I could make grilled cheeses. So, as you can see, everything's laid out. This is going to be a masterpiece. Cheese, the chicken's gonna go on there. This is going to be the secret sauce. Tomato, basil, pasta sauce, a little bit of that with the cheese, the chicken, the garlic French toast is going to be insane. I already know. We got the chicken with the sauce. Alright, we are here with the garlic French toast chicken sandwich with tomato, basil. This might be the greatest thing I've ever made, but we need to know how it tastes. Oh my god. Alright, let's get it. Bro, my soul just left my body. It like tastes like a pizza. Like, this is insane. That's a 9.5 out of 10. Better than the blueberry French toast. What are you talking about? Sheesh. Shout out Fish and Energy. Keeping me caffeinated all day. Started school today. Gotta get a whole bunch of work done. Fish and Energy. Code BENSAG10 will save you 10% off at checkout. Support your boy. You get your flavoring, caffeine, vitamins, antioxidants, all right here, and tastes good as hell. So, but yeah, this is a solid 9.5 out of 10. And I'll put the macros up right there, calories and macros, just to show you that like this is not high calorie at all, and it tastes so good. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'm gonna down this. I'm gonna bring you guys to the gym, show you a little bit of my push day, and yeah, so I'll see you guys at the gym. What's up, guys? We are back from the gym, and you already know what we're making. Alright? French toast. So, I think I'm gonna do a little strawberry. I'm feeling some strawberry. But in my workout, my camera ended up dying midway. I wanted to record the workout for you guys, but sadly, the camera wanted to die on me, and it's time to eat. So, let's get it. Meal 4, post-workout. Got the strawberry cheesecake French toast. Camera is about to die, so we're going to get into this. Calories and macros will be right there. I'm gonna go grab a fork, and I'll let you guys know how it is at the end. Alright, guys, as you can see, destroyed it. It's meal 4, post-workout, done. That one was actually very good. I'd say slightly better than the blueberry French toast one. But yeah, I would say like an 8.5, slightly better than the blueberries, just because like that Greek yogurt with the strawberries, crazy. Not better than the chicken and tomato basil sauce. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me. The calories and macros for the 4 French toasts, that is gonna be right there. Pretty solid day, honestly. Like, I was very satiated, I wasn't very hungry. The bread is very dense. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, I guess, eating challenges like this, where I eat the same thing for 24 hours, or I eat like somebody, let me know in the comments what you want me to do. Shout out Greg Doucette. On a serious note, like, Greg has honestly like changed my whole outlook on like nutrition and my mindset about like food, and like just making better choices has honestly came a lot from Greg. So honestly, like, if you have not checked him out already, you need to go check out Greg. Another note I wanted to make is like eating like foods like this. I don't know if you saw, but like I got very creative today. Just making better choices with just any ingredients, like that tomato basil pasta sauce that I put on my chicken sandwich, my French toast chicken sandwich. Like 45 calories for a half cup. Like, just make better choices here and there, and you could honestly make anything. Hey, yo, and if you haven't already, go buy that man's cookbook, because that boy has the craziest recipes. I'm probably honestly going to come out with my own cookbook very soon, because I've been getting right in the kitchen. I've been making some crazy stuff. But like I said, like, this just goes to show like how creative you can get in the kitchen and make foods that are low calorie, high in protein, filling, and are gonna help you reach your goals, whether your goal is to like build muscle, lose weight, lose body fat. Like, getting creative in the kitchen and learning more about nutrition. Just learn how to make better choices in the kitchen, and you will have a successful diet. So yeah, I hope you guys could take something away from this little talk here. Yeah, that just about wraps up the video. Eating Greg Doucette's Anabolic French Toast for 24 hours. We got right in the kitchen. And now it's time for you to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, comment for the algorithm. I also just dropped my new website. I know I said it in my last video, but if you haven't seen that one, saying it again, website, link in the description. Finally out, so proud of it. And yeah, if you guys are looking for a coach, if you're looking for a training program, head over to my website. And yeah, stay shredded. Peace.